Good afternoon. Myself Pinky Chawla, advocate practice in District Court as well as in Supreme Court of India. The High Court has given new instruction about 498 cases. Earlier, it used to happen that husband and wife should fight over petty matter. Wife deserted herself from matrimonial house, went to parents' house, and after going in her parents' house, she filed FIR from there against husband as well as his family member, his parents also. The reason behind it, she want to take the revenge and she target the police station. That police station, where the police station is the only media where they can keep the husband and wife ego and their self-respect to the down level, and after that, whatever she wanted, they will do. But the Supreme Court has given different direction about this for 98 cases and reject the 498 case on the following ground. Number one, if the wife filed a 498 case without any reason and cause only over petty matters that she has ego clash, she want to take revenge from her husband as well as relatives and her parents also. She want put lot of fear in their eyes that she can do anything, she can harm them by filing wrong cases. In that very situation, the Supreme Court has given direction to the trial court. Once the court case come in the trial court, that is their moral duty to see whether the 498 case is applied or not. If the 498 case has been filed because they have temperamental differences, the wife said that husband is threatening and warning her, and she's not comfortable with her husband because husband is not maintaining her livelihood. In that very situation, the 498 case is not applied. She should go for CRPC 125 CRPC. If she says she has been harassed and tortured homely, and her husband is following her, not able to do the job, that's why she is filing for 98 cases. That is also wrong. She should go for domestic violence act in that case. Wife only in 498 case. The has given clear instruction that once a matter has gone to the concerned thana, the concerned thana doesn't give them relaxation and just try to make them convinced that she should go for 98 cases. She never tried that they should reconcile the matter amicably and happily live their matrimonial life. But the 498 case filed by the wife against her husband relatives, and then the matter come to the court, and the court also doesn't take lenient view. And in the evidence, the trial court never seriously check up whether 498 case is applied or not. Why the 498 case has been filed by the wife when they have petty matters, when they have don't dispute, when they have domestic violence. Why domestic violence act is not filed? Why 498 cases? And sometimes the matter goes to the High Court. The Supreme Court has given to the High Court also, when the matter comes to High Court for quashing FIR under CRPC 482 or Article 226 also. In that very situation, that if the writ is filed by the husband, it is a moral duty of the High Court to see the consequences of 498 cases, whether it should be applied or not. If it is over petty matters, the FIR should be quashed immediately. And again, given the instruction to the concerned thana, when husband and wife fight and come to the thana, and the wife come to the thana, the police station moral duty is to check up whether they have any ego clash or why they are fighting over petty matters. And if there is a petty matter, there is a harassment and torture, then 498 case is not applied. Then they never try to influence the wife and encourage the wife that she should go for 498 case. That should not be filed by them. It should be rejected, and most of the cases they should try their level best that their matter gets settled very soon. And happily, if the matter happily settled either in thana or concerned trial court, then in that very situation it is not possible the matter will come to the High Court as well as for quashing the FIR or Supreme Court for further relief. So Supreme Court has given all the direction to the concern, all the state of the country, that once a FIR comes in the thana or concerned court, they should see whether this should apply or not. If it is not applied, that should be rejected at its spot only. and 498 case which was filed by XYZ wife has been rejected in favor of the husband, and husband has to chill. Every time it is not possible that wife file wrong cases and husband has to, and his wife, his family member and his relative has to face the consequences. In that very situation, if the case has been filed and put with all the presentation in the front of the High Court as well as Supreme Court, the case will be rejected. Thank you so much. Myself, Pinky Chawla, advocate, practicing District Court as well as Supreme Court. My number is 9818277131. If you have any queries and details, you can feel free to talk to me anytime. Thank you so much. Love you all.